Hey guys, how's everyone doing? So today I'm gonna debadge the rear of this car. I've seen some of you guys' photos and videos of you removing the Accord emblem and then the Sport emblem. Looks really good, I like it, looks clean. Kind of makes it, I don't know, has like a smoother look to it. So I'm gonna do that, show you guys an easy way to do it. Now these badges here, being how they're individually lettered, really easy to do. The other ones, when they're all one piece, they stick pretty good. These, I mean, if you can look, like this D right here, it just moves right off. I mean, I could have probably almost lifted it like this. I'm gonna show you an easy way to do it. You don't need any special tools or anything. And the Sport one, if you remember, I moved up here. See how much that moves? You put some heat on there and you can just pop it off. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that really quick. This probably take me 5 minutes to do them all. Okay, so go ahead and do that and tell me what you guys think. Okay guys, so I'm gonna use this little trim tool. You just get up underneath it as you apply heat and it just pops up. And actually, the more I look at this, I'll use another tool I have. It's just a little scraper, but it's plastic and it has a bigger edge on it. And you could use this if you want, but I think if I do that, it's gonna go all over the place when these pop off on the ground. So you see how it moves there? Really easy, and I'm not putting much heat on it either. So this is the one. This thing will work perfect. If you have anything like that, just it has to be plastic though. So just get up underneath there, and I'm not putting a whole lot of pressure on it, and it's just gonna pop up. There we go. And you just continue on the line. Like I said, these are the easiest emblems to take off. And I just hit it with heat for 5 seconds maybe, and you see how it's coming off here. And if you're struggling with it a little bit, just use more heat, because it shouldn't be really that difficult. So right here, I'll just put a little bit more. 3-4 seconds. You can feel it's getting warm. That's all you need. And you can use fishing string if you want. You can use dental floss. I just always like the scrapers. I never had any issues with them scratching the car, nothing like that. So here, just go underneath it. It's done. And just make your way around. Okay, so let me go ahead and speed this up. We'll do this side and then the Sport the same way. So as you guys can see, very, very simple. Almost too easy. So these cars are really easy to do. You see, have all the little letters there. Now you have a little bit of the double-sided tape stuck on here. You can easily just take your finger and rub those, and you'll see they'll just come right off. That's the hardest part, I would say, if you don't get those off and it's been baked on there. But once you get that off, you can see the outline of the letters. Take a little bit of Goo Gone. You don't need a ton. Let it sit on there for maybe 30 seconds, and then it wipes right off. Okay, so let me go ahead and do that and show you. Okay, so this right here is all finished. I put a little Goo Gone on it, let it sit for 30 seconds, rubbed it off, and then put a nice coat of wax over each section that I did, because you know the Goo Gone will strip the wax for sure. So as you can see, it's clean. Doesn't leave any residue. There's no scratches on it. It's an easy way to do it. So if you guys are thinking about debadging your car, easy way to do that. Like I've done the emblems that are all one piece, and they're a little bit harder to do, especially because you get the big chunks of tape, or the double-sided tape. Sometimes it can give you a little pain. It's a little pain to remove, but these are so easy too. So I've noticed in the summer that the letters wiggle a lot too, just because there's not that much contact points to stay up on. So now we got this turbo badge I removed, if you guys remember. Now we got them all debadged here. So I like it. I do. I really like it. Tell me if you guys debadge your cars and what you guys think too. You know, I think it looks really good. It just looks clean. You know, so I'll go ahead and here, let me go get a picture straight on so you can get the full effect. And then tell me what you guys think. So here it is, guys. I really like it. Very subtle, looks clean. Very simple to do. So I hope that helps you guys out. Hope everyone's doing good, and I'll catch you guys next time.